Okay, that's with the phone in place. Hopefully I can keep it there. I'm going to go ahead and get an adapter for that 1/2 inch so I can use a 3/4, or I'm sorry, a 3/8 wrench in there, or ratchet. Wow. I can't talk today. Alright. So we'll go ahead and get that in there. I know, when you take all the videos with doing the work in between, it makes the job look so easy, but behind the scenes, this is what everyone's doing to their vehicles. That's going in nicely. Also helps to have this flex head ratchet here from Matco. This thing has saved me, I don't know how many times I could tell you, from doing spark plugs and like V6 Toyotas to hell. As you can see, even something like this. It certainly is a fine thread though, so you're going to be going for a while. At least I didn't have to take out the radiator and all that. Screw that, man, because it's got power steering cooler lines, trans cooler lines. Gotta drain all the coolant again. Screw all that. Why work harder when you can work smarter, right? This is how you get ahead. Whew. Let's see if I can get more throw on this. Yeah, I'm kind of bending the plastic doing that. I might even be able to get a air ratchet in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. So as you can see, you're going to be ratcheting for a while. Oof. Let's see if I can get this belt out of my way. Okay. There we go. Got a little bit more room. Well, as I'm getting lower, it's not bending the plastic as much. There we go. Whew. All right, that's pretty much there now. All right, that's it. Felt it bottom out. Now it's going to turn. Yep. Okay, so now back it up. Unthread the thing. Okay, and now as you can see, go ahead and pick this up without damaging everything. You can see that the harmonic balancer is installed. Brand new front main. And, well, hopefully it doesn't leak, right? So, go ahead and install your bolt, start your truck, and hopefully you don't have any oil dripping anymore. Hope this helps someone out.